Reinforcing calm behaviors with Stella. Stella is a friendly puppy who gets easily hyper around familiar people and dogs, going from 0 to 60 in a second. However, just as hyper she can be, she also easily spooks out from strange noises, fast movements, or unfamiliar objects, going back from 60 to 0 in another second. In this video, we are going to present exercises reinforcing calm behavior. Stella will go through relaxation exercises inside and outside of the house, learn good house manners, exercise basic obedience in the presence of another dogs, have desensitization exercises to new places and sounds, as well as show some great playtime tips. Watch how awesome she is! Exercises inside the house. Relaxation and focus exercises. Desensitization to touching, reinforcing Stella for not to start jumping up or nipping on us when we pet her. Desensitization to noises that might set her up, in this case, knocking. Basic house manners. Sit for food.
Sit. Good. Wait. Wait. Good. Okay, good. Good girl.
Sit for getting leashed.
Sit. Good girl. You. Good girl.
Sit in front of the door.
Okay. Good girl.
Sit when greeting people.
Stella.
Working together with other dogs.
Okay. Stella. Stella, come. Stella, down. Steve, down. Steve, sit. Yes. Stella, sit. Yes. Steve, down. Stella, down. Yes. Stay. Steve, Stella, leave it. Mamba, go. Yes. Good guy. Stella, come. Yes. Good guys. Down. Good. Stay. Good. Steve, Stella, come. Yes. Good guys. Good job. Good guys.
Exercises outside. Desensitization to environment. Rewarding Stella for looking around and getting familiar with her environment, as well as rewarding her for making eye contact and focusing back to us. Heel exercise to gain more focus.
Heel. 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 Good.
Appropriately greeting people on walks.
Okay, go say hi.
Hi, Stella.
Yes.
Appropriately greeting dogs on walks.
Okay, say hi.
Building a strong recall.
Yes, good girl. Come on. Yes.
Playtime. Controlled tug-of-war.
Good. Okay. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Drop. Good girl. Okay. Good. Drop.
Fetch with basic obedience.
Good. Leave it. Good. Okay, get it. Good job. That's a good girl. Come. Stella. Come. Yes, good girl. Yes. Good job. Good job. Good job. That's a good job. Drop. Yes.
Agility training for exercise and building more confidence.
Yes. Good girl. Yes, good girl.
As you can see, Stella is an excellent puppy in training mode. However, not paying enough attention to her can cause her getting out of hand easily. But keeping up with her intensive training just a few more months will make her a lifelong perfect dog. Good luck!